Look around your room. The walls around you, the roads outside your window, the lights of distant cities glowing against the night sky. All of it feels permanent, like the world was always supposed to look this way. It wasn't. Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that humanity never happened. Not that we disappeared, not that civilization collapsed. Human beings simply never existed at all. No cities, no countries, no languages, no internet, no history, nothing. At first, that sounds impossible. Human beings are everywhere. We have reshaped rivers, carved tunnels through mountains, connected continents with roads, and filled the atmosphere with the fingerprints of our existence. We look at the modern world and assume we are the main characters of the story. We're not. Earth spent more than 4 billion years getting along perfectly fine before we arrived. If humanity never existed, the planet would not mourn us. The oceans would not stop moving. The forests would not stop growing. The sun would not shine any less brightly tomorrow morning. The world would simply continue. And that is where things become uncomfortable. Because if humans never existed, the first thing you notice isn't what is missing. It's what survives. Stand where New York City should be. There are no skyscrapers here, no bridges, no traffic, no concrete canyons stretching toward the clouds. Instead, you find forests, wetlands, and rivers winding naturally toward the Atlantic Ocean. Now, do the same thing for London, for Tokyo, for Paris, for Shanghai. Every city on Earth disappears, not because nature reclaimed them, because they were never built in the first place. The strange part is how quickly the planet fills the empty space. Forests do not care about real estate. Grass does not care about property lines. Rivers have no respect for national borders. Nature moves into every place we never occupied and expands without permission. For the first time in thousands of years, Earth belongs entirely to itself, and it is far more alive than the world we know. Today, many of the animals we think of as wild are survivors. They live in fragments of habitats surrounded by roads, farms, and cities. But in a world without humans, those barriers never appear. Vast migrations continue uninterrupted across entire continents. Forests connect ecosystems that are now separated by hundreds of kilometers of development. The difference is almost impossible to imagine, because many of the animals we lost never disappear. Woolly mammoths still roam northern grasslands. Passenger pigeons still darken the sky in flocks so large they can take hours to pass overhead. Giant ground sloths still wander through the Americas. Entire branches of life continue evolving because they never encounter the one species that changed everything: us.